probably won't fit. But here, bud. Here, bud. Get it. It scared him. Get it. Get it. Pull. Get in there, bud. Get in there, bud.
Thought I'd bring you along for a moment. First of all, to show you the trailer that David rigged up to move these huge pallets that are very heavy. They're going to be the bridge for the bride. And then to show you Buddy trying to pull it. Well, not trying. He did pull it. He was pulling it before the front hand cart was put on it with just 2 wheels. Come on, get it. Buddy, get it. Get Buddy. Come here. Leave him alone when he's working. We have a few puppies running around here today. What's up, Blue? Hi, Blue. How's little Blue? Miss Cora. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining us. Just a little quick, hey,